Hello Internet, my name is Vedra and welcome back to my monthly development update video for the False World. There are a number of updates to go over, so let's go ahead and jump right in. Alright, now the first thing that you'll notice here is that the walls are no longer a flat gray. Claudia, our artist, has spent some time working on the walls, including the texture that you see here. She has also gone and created some level of detail models that are necessary for any game to run in any sort of efficient manner. I think we might be too close to see it pop over. We've got some other things to look at, and we can see if we can see that at a later time. Last month I had worked on getting all of these resources to be synchronized from the server to the client, and this month I worked on getting them to be harvestable. So this is all synchronized through clients as well. These resource bundles are only available to whoever harvested the resource for 5 minutes. After that, then they will be made available to whoever else is around. The next thing that I will be working on is getting the construction of buildings within cities to go to the next stage. So as it is currently, when you go over to these, you do a construction, you just get this fence. What I need to get brought up to speed is putting in resources and constructing the final building. Another thing that I had worked on that had escaped me when I was doing the guild update was getting it so that players could claim towns that were not already being controlled by a guild. So we'll just see if we can watch these models change. Oh, I think that just ticked over. So, alright, fun stuff. So I'm just going to run over to one of these other towns. There are, of course, 3 on this island. Alright, so here we are. Just gonna go over to this person here. So say welcome, and as you can see here, it is unowned. So we can claim it. So we'll say yes, and if we talk to them again, now it'll say that it is being run by the Testers Guild, which is the guild that I'm part of. And of course we can get all of our location information and all that good stuff. Some of the other things that I've been working on is I changed how the server assigns network identities to players. Back when I started using Darkrift was Darkrift 1, and how it assigned the IDs, it didn't really work out well for how I wanted things to go, so I created my own system, and then when I updated to Darkrift 2, it used kind of a similar system as what I had created. And so rather than having extra actions being taken by the server, I just kind of switched over to the one that was built in. There were some minor differences that I had to make adjustments for, but I've got it all working now. So that's just about it. So, until next time, be good.